Hi everyone, this is Deb with Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and More, and I am here with the hashtag Jewelry Making Fun collaboration for July, where a group of us post on the 18th at noon Eastern. Now, there are one or two people that will be unable to post this month that I know of. As far as I know, everybody else will be posting, and I'll try and put those individuals in a little comment next to their name in my description box below. Um, yeah, for personal reasons that I'm aware of. So anyway, I just thought I'd let you know that one of them, both of them, I think didn't post last month either. So anyway. So for this month, we are basing our color scheme off the Color Cube card number 196, and I'll put a link on where you can find those cubes if you're interested. And here are the colors. They're basically purples. This is actually supposed to be a dark blue, and then some greens. They're described on the reverse. Lilac, ultraviolet, dark blue, meadowlark, and lime. So I brought in, I immediately went to fluorite gemstone. So in my optional challenge is option one is to use gemstones, at least one gemstone. And I gave suggestions. These are just suggestions for each of the 5 colors on the card. But I put a note at the bottom of this one that said fluorite might work to cover several of these colors as it has purples and greens in it. And yes, it does. The greens are a little bit different color. For example, this is more like what the green is like compared to the lemon lime kind of color. So yeah. So one of my pieces has gemstones and Swarovski crystal, and the other one has where are they? These what are these? Czech fire polish beads, and in purple, I think a blue and a yellow, and so I got blue in, and then 2 beads came out of this actually brown and topazy color mix, and these were, where did I get these at? Oh, I got them off Fire Mountain on sale, but these are Doris, so they were probably closeouts, and I have like 6 little packets of these, but not all of them had the bead I was looking for, which was a fish, because there are fish on here. So this is the first pair actually, and these are the crystals, and I had to use 22 gauge wire, and I just wire wrapped links and hung them off the eye pins for the top part. And so like a green, a yellow, and a purple. And the fish is sort of a topazy yellow, which isn't exact either, but hey, it's pretty close. And I did put them on stainless steel ear wires because I think I don't have any regular ear wires in silver plated. I can make some, but I didn't have any made, nor did I have time. And so that's the first pair. And the second pair, I used fluorite flowers. These were from Fire Mountain. Yes. And you can see they have greens and some clear, and I matched up. The problem with the gemstones when they're multicolors, it's hard to find matches, pretty close matches because they all vary. Anyway, and then I had this pack of gemstone leaves, and that was from, I don't know, I think it was from jewelrymaker.com. I'm not sure where I put them right at the moment. And then these are purple velvet Swarovski 4mm crystal bicones, and they are on top of the leaves down here as well. That makes me mad. I don't know what I do with the leaves. Anyway, I don't know. They're either from Fire Mountain or jewelrymaker.com. I thought I had them here, but I guess I put them. Oh, no, here they are. Sorry. jewelrymaker.com, fluorite multicolor carved leaf beads. That's an online store in the UK. And I put them on silver plated lever backs with a little daisy flower on to go with the flowers here. And then the leaves are fluorite also, I just said that, in a green, sort of a yellow green to bring in these colors more. This is more of a blue green, and then the purple in the middle. And I just put them on some, actually think it's Rolo chain, which was from Bead Box Bargains, I believe. Yes. Silver finish steel curb link, but they go opposite directions. And then I did use some little jump rings. I wire wrapped the leaf beads, but I did hook them onto the chain with little 4mm jump rings and put a 6mm jump ring here because the eye pin goes up in a little bit and it's facing front and back, so I had to have the ring go the other way. I could have tried to turn it, but I really didn't want to risk breaking the fluorite in doing that. And I like how that looks anyway. So I hope you like my pieces. I know it's not much this month. I have these larger flowers, as you can see, and I laid them out. I was going to make some earrings with those, but I don't think I'm going to because they're pretty heavy for earrings. So I think I will make a necklace or something with these. And then I also I had these three laid out, and I was going to just do a 3-tier dangle. One sec. Sorry about that. Um, But I'm afraid that might be too heavy too with the three of these flowers because they're pretty thick and they're a little heavy. So I have to figure out what I want to do with those. I might make another pair of these because I really like these. The only thing is they're really long and not everybody likes long dangly. Let's see how long they are. Sorry, I know this video is going on longer than most people want to watch. They're about 3¼ inches, and these, I like dangly earrings, but not everybody does. 2½, they're a bit shorter. I have to see if I have more fish because I kind of think they're cute. So let me know if you have a favorite and would you wear a triple dangle of these? Let me know if you like my two little earrings and if you would wear any of them, and if so, eventually they'll be for sale. I keep saying that and I don't keep getting anything listed in my shop, but I have a 1.5 years worth of stuff to get listed, or 2 years maybe. So yeah, I'll be working on that soon, hopefully. And I will talk to you again soon. Be sure to check everyone else out down below that hopefully posted at noon today. All right, take care. Hugs, love, and peace.